beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from InAkit. Welcome to my channel. Before we start this tutorial, here's a quick introduction to our channel. You'll find a variety of craft tutorials here, and we also offer craft material kits ready to purchase and make it easy for you to get started. Do check the link below for more details. Now without further ado, grab your kit and let's dive into today's tutorial.
Let's start making the holiday tree macrame knot. First, select the green string and the yellow string to create the macrame knot. Fold the green string in half and secure it with a heavy object for easier handling. Follow the steps in the video. For the first tier of tree leaves, leave a 3 cm gap. Straighten the string before measure the spacing with a ruler, tie a knot, and push it upward. Repeat this process to make 6 layers in total. When finishing, pull the string tight, trim the excess, and carefully use a lighter to slightly melt the ends to secure them. Next, let's create the Chinese knot charm called the Shou die knot, symbolizing blessings, prosperity, and longevity, represented by the 3 stars of Fu, Lu, and Shou. Once completed, the macrame part of the charm is finished. Now, we move on to the shrink plastic pendants. Choose 3 to 5 designs or letters from the template. Take the shrink plastic sheet and use the rough side for coloring. Outline the chosen design, then color it as desired. Acrylic markers, colored pencils, or pastels are recommended. Markers and colored pencils work best for detailed coloring. Additionally, you can add personalized words or your name to make it unique. Once your designs are ready, cut them out and punch a hole in each for hanging later. Heat the oven around 250 degrees Celsius. Place the pieces on baking paper to prevent sticking and heat it until the plastic shrinks and flattens. Use a tool to press them flat if necessary, just be cautious of the heat. Finally, it's time to apply UV resin. Apply one layer of UV resin. If you have a UV lamp, use it to harden the UV resin. If you don't have a UV lamp, you can place the pieces on the direct sunlight for a few minutes to harden. It's recommended to apply 2 layers per side for a fuller, glossier finish. After preparing all the components, it's time to assemble. Attach the shrink plastic pieces to jump rings and arrange them in your desired positions. And there you have it, your handmade personalized holiday tree macrame bag charm is complete.